the 4.33% particle content of our entire visible subuniverse. This is the small 4.33% blue pie wedge shown now as a full pie with its particle content. Here is a breakdown of the particle distribution of the 4.33% visible pie section of our subuniverse. Free hydrogen and helium 3.58%. Stars 0.45%. Neutrinos 0.27%. Heavy elements 0.03%. From the black hole singularity point to the outer spherical shell singularity is the singularity without spacetime. We will try to visualize now what happens when falling through the black hole, then going through the orbit and the black hole singularity point, and experiencing the quantum inversion warp and random evolution trial and error, reject or select processes, and going out through the outer spherical singularity shell on the other side, and ending up in the plasma soup. Entering black hole, singularity, orbit, quantum inversion warp, random evolutionary trial and error, reject or select, reset entropy to zero, sequestering, outer spherical shell singularity, plasma soup, subuniverse. The part of the loop structure from the black hole singularity points to the outer spherical singularity shell contains the orbit and the seventh aggregate state without spacetime, where the inversion takes place. The outer spherical singularity shell contains the positive gravity force, known to us as anti-gravity, where patches of high energy are expelled into the 6 subuniverses. This is the actual inversion event, being the main point of SIT, and it happens all between the black hole singularity points and the outer spherical singularity shell, as part of the universe loop cycle. The expansion rate of our universe is accelerating. We will explain now what the estimated dimensions of the universe bordering the outer spherical shell singularity is, versus the currently observable cosmic microwave background. This is how we see the cosmic microwave background today. That light traveled 13.7 billion light-years to reach us. Currently we see the cosmic microwave background having a diameter of 27.4 billion light-years. In the meantime, the cosmic microwave background did grow to an estimated radius of 76 billion light-years. But that light didn't reach us yet. Now, here is what we know. Einstein's work, particle physics, astrophysics, cosmology, Hubble space, black holes theory, quantum physics, cosmic microwave background, some string theory, little bit of knowledge of life and DNA sequencing. We know already quite a lot, but there is much more to learn. The following SID model is just a logical extension based on what we already know. These assumptions ought to be proven, mathematically or by observations. There is no such thing as one Big Bang. Considering the Big Bang theory unlikely, the SID model proposes that there isn't such a thing as one Big Bang at the beginning of the universe. There is a continuous time loop instead. There is no beginning and no end. The black hole's common singularity is the exit point for fermions, bosons and energy, from the subuniverses. In this common singularity is the orbit where everything like fermions and bosons are converted to energy and added to the momentum of the existing entrance energy. In the orbit is also where the random quantum fluctuation events, phase shifting and sequestering occurs, thus forming the 6 separated subuniverses. The exit of the singularity is also the entrance horizon into the subuniverses, and is referred to as the outer spherical shell singularity, where everything re-enters in the form of pure energy. The visible universe is visible to us being inside one of the subuniverses, because space-time now exists, and energy is converted during the dwell time into matter. But only our own subuniverse structure is visible to us. How our universe functions. The part of the loop structure from the cosmic microwave background to the black hole is the visible part of the universe, with the familiar physical laws, and the space-time fabric, where the dwell time of the particles can take hundreds of billions of years. The required energy to operate all this is generated from the excess energy by the dwell time phenomena. The in and out time difference of some 100 billions of years produces this large amounts of excess energy. Beside this energy production there is a secondary effect. If the inflows through the outer spherical shell singularity is larger, as the outflows through the black hole singularity points, the universe will expand, and vice versa it will collapse. The source of the energy is created by the delay of incoming high energy flow through the outer spherical shell singularity, and the rate of drainage of the particles through the many black holes point singularity.